Hello! In today's video, we're going to show step by step how to create a fully dynamic form inside Callendar. In other words, a form that automatically fetches values directly from the database without needing to add options manually. We'll use the WhatsApp app to test and view the final result, including a list with 50 dynamically loaded options. We're here inside Callendar's form builder. As you may have seen in our other tutorials, the first thing to do is fill in the form ID and form name. Let's do that now. Let's add the elements of screen 1. First the screen ID, and then the title that will appear on the screen. After that, we'll click Add Element, and here we select Dropdown. I'll set a name for identification. And here in this second field will be the question that will appear on the screen. I'll set this field as required. Here we don't need to manually add answer options because all the answers will be pulled directly from our database. And for this to work, we need to put our dynamic data source here. The code you type here must be the same as the one placed in the database. This is the code pattern. After the dot, type a word you prefer to help you identify it. As an example, here I used course list. Now all we need to do is add our footer. I click Add Element and choose the footer option. Here I'll write complete, and that's it. Our form is finished. Let's click Generate Form. And here we get the confirmation that our form was successfully created. Now let's test the form we built. Here on the phone screen, we'll select the WhatsApp app. I'll type the keyword I configured to trigger the sending of our funnel. Here, I receive the message along with the form. I'll click Continue. Our form opens. Notice that I didn't need to add any answer options in Callendar. And even so, it pulled all those 50 answers from our database. Here, I'll select one option. And now I click Complete and Done. Form submitted. I automatically receive a confirmation message, and that's it. In this video, you saw how to create a dynamic form in Callendar, using data coming directly from your database, without having to type each option manually. This feature saves time, reduces errors, and makes your flows much more flexible. Keep following our tutorials to learn new features and get even more out of Callendar.